Hi everybody, how are you all? I'm sure that you all are fine and safe. So today we are going to learn about HTML. So basically if I say HTML is one type of thing from which your web pages are made. So basically this video would be having many parts, 10 to 20 parts, maybe 10 to 15 parts. Means the topic HTML would be covered in that whole parts, basic HTML. So first of all, let me tell you the first, second, third topics, theory topics, what we're going to learn. First of all, this is the first theory one, that is what is an HTML name. Second, it would be HTML tags, And the third would be the main structure of how to create a HTML program. So a HTML document structure that would be. And then we will start with a HTML where there would be some practicals also. We will understand many more tags. I will tell you what are tags in the HTML text topic. Now let us come to our today's topic, that is HTML. First of all, if we are learning HTML, what is the full form of HTML? The full form of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. Simple. HTML means Hypertext Markup Language. So first of all, only I'm going to tell you that HTML is not at all a programming language. It is a markup language. Markup language means to show, okay, let us take an example. Markup means to do something important, and hyper means the important something you marked. Hyper means it is very important to you. So important text. Markup is a dikhana language. So in the notes, if you're saying that this is important, so you are marking it up, right? And marking the important questions. So that is markup language. This is a markup language, and this from markup word only came tags. हम short form याद करते हैं कि अगर इस question आया, for an example, there is one question, blah blah. Ram is studying. So here if it is the fill in the blanks dash are studying, तो हम ये कह के रखते हैं कि जहाँ studying होगा वहाँ पर राम आएगा. We are doing it. So that studying is what? Our tag. Studying is what? Our tag. मतलब उस नाम को हम अगर search करते हैं, so that tag would be visible. Means हम उसे tag कर देते. Nowadays in Instagram also, we have tagged this. Pin कर देना, है ना? So everything. I think understood. HTML is hypertext markup language. So now, as I said in earlier also, that HTML are used to make a tags. HTML is used to make a web pages. So now here, what are web pages? Very simple. A web page is a document. Web page is a document containing different text, pictures, and audios plus videos, and it is created using a language called HTML. So what is a web page? Okay, I can show you one example of a web page too. Just give me 1 minute. Okay. When you are opening any Google, like Google Chrome, Google, anything, okay. So I think, okay. Just a minute, no. Yeah, so this is one type of what? Web page. When we're opening Google Chrome, this web page is visible. So here what we can see, Google is one image. Here it is saying to type. So these are only these web page. The Chrome is made up from HTML part. हमने इसे HTML part में ही बनाया हुआ है. And if you are searching something in the Chrome, for an example, if you are going to search technology related thoughts. Okay, so what it is doing now? So these are what? This is web pages which contains the text, videos, and etc. things. I think you understood about web pages. Well, no, or you didn't. You all understood, no? No. So next is our very simple part. What So now we are going to know more about very easy HTML. Absolutely. We are going to know about HTML. So what is an HTML? So as I said earlier also, HTML is not at all a programming language. It is a markup language. किसी चीज को mark करना. I have already explained this point. I think it's very much clear to everybody, right? Our next topic or our next point is a markup language consists of setup of markup tags. This HTML whole structure means the HTML coding one type of we can say is made up of tags. हम tag से ही इसका programming करते हैं. We are doing this programming related to tags means we will use tags and we will do the programming. Like there are different tags, paragraph tags. If you have to make any letter bold, so it is bold tag. Okay, I will explain you what is this, and everything. Okay, don't worry about it. Our next topic is HTML uses markup text to describe web pages. I have already said that it is created using web. It means the web pages are created using HTML. So most probably markup tags only describe the pages. So how if web pages में मुझे कोई भी background अगर इसको, we have a tag for that also. We have a tag for that. If we will write that tag, about that background would be changed as that color. Okay. Second, our next point is HTML is not a word processing tool or a desktop publishing solution. Here, what we are doing in word processing, where MS Word, everybody have their own system. MS Word, what we are doing, we are making documents. It is not at all the document processing tool, not at all. Please do not feel it. And HTML is a collection of tags to design the page layout and hyperlinks. I've already told the meaning of hyperlinks. Now, what is page layout? Particular page layout. If I have one page for an example, this is my page. For example, this is my page. So here this page का layout क्या है? Page का layout is this table. It should have this table. What is the layout this page? Page is table. Now here we can see there are some pictures, bold letters, right? So that things are depending on that. Hyperlinks, we have already told, right? So any doubt till here? Because our today's video is totally finished and it was all about HTML and I have told every neat thing about an HTML. Any doubts, write in the comment section or Gmail me at sakshikedia codinggirl@gmail.com, and even I'm going to write here. It's sakshikedia codinggirl@gmail.com. So you can Gmail me at this Gmail, and you can definitely, I will soon as possible, I will reply. And even you can reply on comment section. Okay, everybody, I think you must not have doubt, but if you have, definitely you can write in the comment or the Gmail part. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you, everybody. Have a nice day.